Hello there. Welcome to On the Bright Side. I am Daniel. I'm joined by Ben.
Hello.
We're watching Chainsaw Man.
Chainsaw Man.
Last time things got real. Makima squished some people, and I'm now afraid of her.
Yeah.
And Kobeni schmooved on a snake.
This is true.
Is that an innuendo?
We won't talk about that.
I know lots of people on the internet want her to schmoove on their snakes, but it's not gonna happen.
Yep. Not anymore.
Touch grass. Anyway. I am excited for today's episode because now we're at a point in the story where I have no idea where it's gonna go. If you're excited for today's episode and for my reactions, then do me a favor and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications to be notified of when future Chainsaw Man episodes go out.
I need your energy.
What the fuck is happening with the color?
It's blue.
It's blue?
It looked blue for like a second.
It looked gray to me.
Like a bluish gray.
Are you colorblind?
Blind?
Yeah. 3. I don't know. I don't need to do that.
Yeah, it's tradition. Go for it.
3, 2, 1, go. Who's eating apples? Who's the asshole? I bet it's Denji.
Yep.
No? Yes?
Maybe? No.
Denji is the asshole.
Yep.
I like how he got him a basket of apples after Hayakawa on his bedside made him apple slices.
Rabbits.
I'm pretty sure they're for Hayakawa. Powie, please don't. How you doing, Hayakawa?
Denji, you forgot the manga. Don't do it. You have so much to live for.
Well, let's see how much he has to live for. Nice. Same. Whoa. Guess I'm gonna have to smoke twice as hard. Get that number down.
Yep.
They're gonna keep doing this to me, huh?
Yep.
And it's all your fault that this anime got made in the first place.
My fault.
Yeah. She said he'd cry for her. There you go.
Yep.
Feels extra bad, man. He came back from the manga.
Yep.
You got surprisingly close with her too. Nah,
you get used
it's different for everyone. You've had a hard life, Denji. Cut yourself some slack.
Mm-hmm.
These two. We're your new friends. The apples were here for me. Why is everyone trying to eat them for me? Uh-huh. What do you do? What do you do? This guy. I don't know his name. Fucking. That's a good question. You think the humans are the winning side right now, Power? Is that real? Great. I can tell by your enthusiasm. I heard people like this character.
Yeah, I think you're gonna like him as well.
Alright. Oh god, what is he doing to them? Choking them? Welcome to the family. And they're dead.
You two are weak.
Broke our necks?
Yeah.
Rude. Yeah, why specifically his heart? I was wondering that after last episode, but I didn't say anything. Oh yeah? So you guys gotta beat me? Interesting. What makes him so strong? What are his powers, Ben? You're not gonna tell me.
No.
Oh boy. Get in a fight. It's gonna be much of a fight. Oh my god. Well,
I've been stabbed again.
round 1. Successful. So, you excited for this? I'm gonna make you guys some badasses. Meanwhile, they bleed out. Man, they can get mad at you? What? Sacrifices. Fair.
No.
His goal has been the same
Yep.
since day 1. A lady? Could bet who actually. We don't get to know?
Let's find out next time on
It's
Track.
mean. It's rude. It's distasteful. Unacceptable.
Poor Denji, he's had a real rough time.
What are you saying? Oh god. What the fuck is this noise? That's what I also do to my friends with brain damage.
But it works.
We're really testing their durability. We're gonna get stronger. Oh yes? From the brilliant mind of Power. What's it gonna be? Of course. I have zero confidence. Oh boy. Is this what this part in the opening is about? They put on glasses. Ambush is a pretty good, pretty effective way of dealing with someone. But he's just a badass, so it's taking too much time. No more glasses.
Roundhouse.
No, the smartness. It's like 7 in the morning. It's like I'm out for drinks.
Bitch, you thought.
You thought we were done? It's true. Where are we going? I see. This is interesting. Oh. Ooh. It can't be anything that's not gonna hurt.
Yeah.
I can't read Japanese.
Thank you for changing that. Oh, there we go.
Is Dad feeling any better? I thought the pain was done, Ben.
Yeah.
Why'd you make this show? You know, I didn't even think about the future as being something that's scared of, but like, yeah.
It's not ominous at all.
Hello, Mr. Future. You're cute. Come around these parts often. This is just real footage.
Yeah. Okay, this is a banger.
Yeah. Who is this?
Don't know.
I feel like I know. All right. That was an episode.
Definitely the most chill episode we've had in a while.
Chill episode in a while. Yeah, I suppose. I thought you were just gonna say period, and I'm like, no.
Because the past three or so episodes have been kinda.
Yeah. We're getting training by being killed a bunch.
Yeah, just murdered after murdered.
Just lots of murder. And our man, who we still didn't get his name, is very happy about it. Yeah. He's like, yes.
He thought I was gonna go day drinking. I mean, I will, just not yet.
It's like, right now, it's like unstoppable force against an immovable object, except the immovable object can learn and adapt.
Yeah.
So eventually, they'll be good enough to beat him.
Yeah.
Good, because the power has been, not Power the character, Power the concept.
Yeah.
There's been a power spike.
Just a little bit.
So we need to be stronger.
Oh no.
I'm gonna cut that out of the video. Or will I? I don't like how my hair is all like, yes, a perfect curve, and then flat. Anyway.
I digress.
Himeno's sister showed up and was like, here's some letters, read them, be depressed.
Yeah. You should have listened to her. How dare you kill my sister?
No, I don't think she was saying that.
She's not.
But she was like, you should probably read these.
Yeah.
It might inform you about some things that she didn't tell you.
Yeah.
I mean, most of it was focused on Power and Denji.
Yeah.
And Aki, who is now going to get the contract with the Future Devil, who we did not see what they looked like.
We know they have an eye.
They have an eye.
Maybe that's all they are. Maybe they're just the eye.
That would be a terrible depiction of future. But again, future is another concept that I didn't even think of when I'm all like being afraid of stuff. And I'm like, that one makes sense. That would be strong.
Yeah.
The global warming devil.
I wonder if there's an IRS devil.
The syringe devil. People are afraid of getting shots. I think there's just a giant syringe that's a devil.
but maybe that's counteracted by the amount of people that like to get high on meth and heroin. Yes, you don't inject meth. It's heroin.
Let me know down in comments if you like to get higher on heroin.
Yeah.
I'll block you.
They're just having a good time.
It's not good.
No, it's not.
It's not good, guys. Makima is over here being busy with something.
Do you think she may be recruiting more people? Or going on an all-out rampage?
I wonder. But I know that probably more people if I had to choose between one of those. I know there's lots more characters in this show.
I am surprised there's two characters I'm surprised we haven't met yet. Now, mind you, it's been a while since I've read this part of the stuff, so I just don't even remember when all of it happens anymore.
Yeah. I am wondering about this guy.
Yeah.
Blonde guy. What? Does he have any contracts? I can't think about a whole lot to say about this episode. I know there was an interesting thing Denji was thinking, is my heart. There's a lot of stuff about Denji's heart. Why does the Gun Devil want his heart? It's got Pochita in it. Pochita's the strongest, as we know.
Yep.
I am curious.
Yeah.
I can only speculate at this point, but like, I don't have much to go on, so my speculations are I'm not going to do it.
Yeah.
He was also talking about like how he's wondering if his heart is changed in more ways than one, since he hasn't been able to cry for Himeno despite being relatively close to her. I don't think close enough to really.
It's still one of the closest he's been to anyone, though.
Yeah.
Normally, no, he wasn't close, but
You know, everyone reacts differently to death. You don't cry for. Some people just don't. You feel sad without crying.
Yeah.
I rarely cry at like sad scenes in movies and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I mostly cry at like extremely wholesome shit. Haven't seen enough wholesome anime on this channel for that to be exemplified. But I just recently watched Whisper of the Heart and cried at that. And that movie is wholesome as hell, so I think that's where I'm going to end today's episode. If you like this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications to be notified of when the next episode goes up. How you like my rhythm? See, no one watches to this point, so I can take as long as I need.
What losers, honestly.
Yeah, I mean, if you watch to this point, you're a fucking loser.
Congratulations, you
but
get a cookie.
luckily, you can remedy that by liking, commenting, and subscribing.
Yep. Share with all your friends.
That makes you part of the cool kids club.
Yep.
Only with C's. Don't get it twisted. Don't no triple K's around here. Only triple C's. That's also going to be a slur or something. That sounded bad.
Oh no.
If you're offended by today's episode, let me know in the comment.
Leave a like.
Leave a like. But yeah, I hope that I could make your day better, and I hope that you continue to have good days. Until next time, take it easy. That's spelled easy. Don't get it twisted.